Okay student, in our last video we were on nutrients. So there are 5 types of nutrients. Along with that, water is also very important nutrient which is needed by our body. So let's read types of nutrients. Our body needs different types of food for different things. The types of food the body needs are called nutrients. There are 3 main types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These are 3 main types of nutrients which the body needs in a large quantity. We need these nutrients in large quantities. The 2 types of nutrients which are needed in a very small quantity, that are vitamins and minerals. Clear students? Carbohydrates gives us energy, protein help us to grow, and fats keep us warm. But the other 2 types of nutrients, vitamins and minerals, helps to fight against diseases. Clear? The different types of food we eat have different amount of the nutrients that the body needs. They also have things that our body cannot use. So something is there which our body do not need, and that is called waste, which is thrown out of our body when we go to toilet. And this is done in the process of digestion, which you have learned in your previous class. Let's talk about our first nutrient, which is called carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy. Clear, my students? Let's start reading carbohydrates. These gives the body the energy it needs. Cereals, potatoes, fruit, sugar, and all sweet things have a lot of carbohydrates. They have small amounts of other nutrients too. We depend mostly on cereals for our supply of energy. From where we get energy? We get energy from carbohydrates. So the sources of carbohydrates: cereal, which is mostly used to get energy; potatoes, sugar, sweets. These all are the sources of carbohydrates. Now let's talk about the second nutrient, and that is fats. Let's start reading about fats. Oil, butter, ghee, cheese, and nuts have fats. So do the meat and eggs. So these are the sources of fat. We can search or we can find the fat in these sources. Meat and eggs are also good sources of fats. Fats are the energy bank of the body. Why we call the energy bank of the body? Because it provides us more energy than carbohydrates. Our body stores them so that it can use them when there is a shortage of energy. That is why they are called the energy bank, because these are those nutrients which are needed at that time when there is a shortage of energy. There is a layer of fat under skin. There is a fat around the organs inside the body too. The fat stored under the skin keeps us warm. Clear, my students? So you can see, if we eat lot of food and we do not do any thing, we get a lot of fat inside our body.